There is a flower which can help us soothe the sunburn, reduce the skin irritation, redness, and works as a great moisturizer for all kinds of skin from the kids to sensitive skins, and also help the wound healing quicker. That is calendula. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step making the calendula hydrosol, which can be used daily to improve the skin health. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. If you love natural skincare, herbal remedies, or you want to start your own hydrosol or herbal extract business, or just want to make your own fresh-made hydrosol, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a calendula hydrosol, which is made by distillation with the calendula flowers. Compared with the essential oil, hydrosol is much gentle and it's a work for all kinds of skin, including kids and sensitive skins, and it can even be used every day. So let's start making it. To make a hydrosol is pretty simple. The first, you need the herb. You can use the fresh or dry. I'm using the dry calendula flower. And the second one is just water. It's better have a distilled water or filtered water to remove the chlorine. The chlorine is vaporized, so it can ruin the quality of your hydrosol. And the third one is a distiller. So I'm using the ADI. It's automatic. It can do the distillation to make a hydrosol and even essential oil. It can make a distilled water, and also it can make infusion. You can make infused oil, honey, butter, all kinds of infusion, glycerin. The last but not the least is a good sanitized container. Hydrosol itself has a very good shelf life, but if it's a bottle, the container is contaminated, the hydrosol will go bad quickly. So do a good sanitization and using the glass bottles for your long-term storage. That's all we need, and let's start it. Calendula hydrosol has many benefits, including it can help reduce inflammation by controlling the markers. This makes it good for the eczema, irritation, the redness, dermatitis problems. And the second is also wonderful for the wound healing. It improves the wound closure and the tissue repair, and it improves the collagen, extract on the skin. And it's work very well as a daily facial spray. It can help moisturizing and gentle and calm, reduce the stress, and works well for all kinds of skins. Because of the hydrosol is gentle and mild, you can use as a daily facial spray, toner, after sun spray, and it can even work for the diaper spray for the gentle skins. And it has many benefits. So if you have never tried this before, highly recommend you give a try on the calendula hydrosol. If you feel the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.